Welcome back. So I want to take a few minutes of your important time of from your life. I want to discuss something with you. It was in November 18, 2022 when I started this channel, and you will see without your support I am nothing, and with your support we are standing at this position. I am not asking here for you to subscribe my channel or everything, but I want to share my experience with you. With the passage of time in these 3 years, I learned many things from you. I polish myself, I improve my knowledge, and I improve my expertise, and I always trying to giving you an extraordinary thing. So with all the passage of time, I learned something you all guys want, some basic and powerful features in your web application, like the theme. Some of them you want the color customizations and everything. So this is a big task for me, but finally we have created a solution for you. From now, today, on which day we are uploading this video I don't know, but I am recording this video on 28th December 2025, but it will be uploaded in the next year 2026. So whenever you see this video, from after this video, in all the videos, any kind of project we upload, you will see these features in my every application, which we upload in future. So what exactly this feature will do for you? So this is a dashboard, don't worry, and this is just a template where I start developing your project, because these are the features which will be given to my all projects, which will given to my all web dashboards. So come to the point of what you can do. So you can see this is a settings section. So you can also you can see this, you can hide, make the sidebar like that. And also very important thing, this dashboard comes with mobile friendly support as well. So you can also them, and also this give you the fastest speed on your mobile experiences. Even your data is too much large, don't worry, it will give you a good experience on mobile or devices as well. So these are some unique things. Color scheme, many of people's asking us the color scheme. So this is my default color scheme, and if you want to customize the color scheme, you can simply customize your colors from here easily. Whatever you want to do, you can set it from here and click on this apply color. So your dashboard will be changes to your new color scheme. And this is not for you, every user. Let's take example, this is a user management. So in the user management, I just simply click on this add, and I just add it here, the user. Let's take example, I add it as user, and there's a user at the rate gmail.com. So this is a second thing, gmail.com, and this is our password user 123, and this role is user, and the status is active, and click on this save. So these all features you will get in all of my coming videos, no matter how what about the video, but these are the all features you will get in every video. So this is a user, I just log out from here, and when I log out, I just enter my user detail here, user. Okay, and again this is a user 123, and click on this login. So when I click on this login, now this particular user is being logged as for 1 hour. So don't worry, right now we have a cache memory. So this user right now have don't set their color theme here, but they can also set their color theme. If you refresh, you will not be logged out for 1 hour, you will be stay login for 1 hour. So this is a separate user, and this user can customize their dashboard according to their color needs, whatever they want to use, and also the text area and everything. And now click on this apply color, so their database will be updated, their complete web dashboard will be updated to this new particular theme. So this theme will be saved here. So you can see this is the color, custom color theme. Every user, every admin, every user can set the theme according to their easiness, according to their needs. So this is the thing. And the second thing we have added in this, what we have added, this is a profile picture. So I have seen lot of comments in my videos that we need a profile picture, we need a company logo, and every employee need their own picture, and so many others. So we will give you a solution. You just go to the settings section. So in the settings section, so you can upload a picture as well. So you can upload a picture. So let's take example, this is a picture and I want to upload. So when I upload this picture, so it means now my profile picture is updated successfully to my new profile picture. So every user can also update them. But there is a one more feature, the light and the dark mode of the for the users. Okay, so this is also we have introduced in this particular web application. So in the my account section, you can also change, update your password and as well whatever you want to do. Okay, so this is a introductory video what I want to discuss with you, and I really like to empower you and to give you my best solution to you. So hope you like my effort and you will subscribe my channel. In the last I am saying you subscribe my channel and share your loved ones, so our community will grow and we will create extraordinary things for you, and we will create so many new or big projects for you. So we thank you very much for listening me on my request, and if you have more suggestions, you can give me in the comment section. I will definitely read your comments and reply you according to your comment. And it will be a great honor when you comment in my videos. I really appreciate you. And you can see this is a effort we have built in our 3 years. And seriously, I am nothing without your sport. So there is one more thing I have just forgot. So if you make this user as inactive, so this particular user cannot able to log in again in the system. So just log out and click on this logout and enter the username. You just add it here, username, and this is a user 123, and click on this login. So when you click on this login, account is inactive, please contact administrator. So there's a more features we will added, like admin can set a permissions that the profile picture will be same for all the users, or users can set their own profile picture. So I will definitely consider this picture. While recording this video, I just get this point in my mind, but I will add this feature in my next video, in my next real world case video, and my next video will be very helpful for you. And I have a great honor to share a knowledge with you. So we thank you very much for listening me. This is just a introduction video, and I want to communicate with you via this video. So we thank you very much. Take care. I will meet you with my best approach to our next project, and you will be happy, and you will get a lot of experiences, and I also get a lot of experience from your. So we thank you very much. Take care.